Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to another 118 scale video. So today we have a Sunstar Modern Rally Collectibles, Subaru Impreza WRC, it says X Pawns, X Amigo, Rally Finland 2007. Probably not gonna type that in, I'm just gonna put that in the title, but yeah, so this is for a Sunstar, a very highly detailed model. Here's the other cars you can find within this set. So they're just like in total of 4 cars, and with different like liveries and stuff on them, like variants and stuff like that. Yeah, so the box is a bit messed up, but yeah, what can you do? So let's get it opened. So this one is already from my collection. This is not new to me. Just decided to film it like some of the other stuff that I have. So there you go. There's the model, and let's see what type of. It has all kinds of these like little antennas and everything. So need to be really careful. So what's it's all held on? So there are screws underneath here, 4 of them. So I'll pause and I'll be right back. So here's the car, rally car. So okay, the plastic is a little bit bothering me right now. Okay, there we go. So here's the car itself, and like I said, it's very detailed for a Sunstar because Sunstar is at least its older stuff is not known for the higher quality, but this is very shocking was to me and to some of my fellow collectors. Like, look, you could see through this, like, what do you call it? Like, no, I forgot what's it called. This, why can't I remember? Okay, it doesn't matter. So basically, you can see through here, you can see through there, like the ventilation and stuff. It's also, you can see through these on the top of the hood, nicely lensed lights. We have brake discs in underneath, like inside. You can see them in there. Like BF Goodrich tires. It's a bit dusty up here, so clean that off quite easily. Here's the back exhaust system. It says tow here, but there's nothing to tow it on, so that is the only little detail that is missing. So there is the car. Let's see underneath the hood. It hasn't been open for a while, so it's pretty rough now. So you can see all the cooling and everything like this. Very, very detailed for Sunstar, like I said. You know, like there's some kind of suspension thing going on here. I don't know what's supposed to be. Some like height pressure or something like that. I don't know. So, like I said, it's pretty tight because it hasn't been open for a long, long time. And then we can go to the back before we go to the front. I mean, inside, there's nothing much going on in the back. There's no spare tire for some reason. I don't know why, but that's what it is. And the cool thing is that the doors, so we have to open them by the handle, but also the back one's open, which that was a bit shocking to me for a rally car that the back one's open. So you can see some stuff in there. So there's the spare wheels in there, not in the back. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know why, but it's like that. So how you would even get it out of there is my question. And then there's some detail for the driver. The steering wheel is basically in their chest. I don't know why it's like that, but it's car model, so you can't really pick on it that much. Let's look on the other side. If there's anything else in there. So and it doesn't want to focus. You can see there's like fire extinguishers down there, some repair kits. I don't know, it doesn't want to focus for some reason. It's weird. Subaru, and the back there's nothing too special and going on in there, so you can see it's like fully with safety bars in there and everything. Now let's check out the bottom. So there's nothing special in the bottom. It's a rally car, so everything is closed up as maximum as possible. So, just found out a detail I didn't notice even. Like, look, the drive shaft. This thing is supposed to be four-wheel drive. It just stops here. Well, like I said, Sunstar. So I was expecting when I got this thing first time. There's probably not going to be fully detailed, but it is fully detailed from the top, not from the bottom, for some reason. So I don't know. As you can see, it doesn't roll. I didn't show that the wheels do turn. You can see in the side, the wheel is turning in there. So there you have it. That's 1/18 scale Subaru WRC rally car. So hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.